rolling.
Hi, my name is Natalie Moore.
My name is Darren Martens.
And this is our intermediate small sword.
With a scene from The Challenge.
Thank you very much.
I'm Jake Hardy! You heard me?
Break your heart if I said I didn't.
Oh, I know you're lying through your teeth, big dog. It would take more than 5 years for these sheep to forget what I left them to remember.
Times change.
I haven't changed. I can still draw and cut the eyes out of an eye. You got a lot more to lose by dying than I do. You know that. That gives me the edge.
One how his name you're trying to prove anyway.
Well, I've been trying to prove right from the start that I'm still me and nothing's changed. McClean! I'd like to talk to you, McClean.
I'm listening.
Oh, you! You and me, we're gonna have it out.
Why?
Because it suits my fancy.
Oh, is that all?
That's all. I'd like to see how good you are with that.
Stop it, boy.
I had to find out. I had to know. I was scared to be dead.